This is my product review of this electric kettle. So it does come with an instruction manual, and it's just essentially two pieces, but you can see, look at the beautiful finish on this kettle. Now it is plastic on the outside. This would be the heating pad, and you can see it's just a simple plug-in, and then the coffee goes right on top there. Okay, so that part is pretty simple and straightforward. All right, so once it heats up, all right, so it's kind of like one of those trash can lids, but it's just for water, and I can't, so without yanking. So the inside is a stainless steel. It does have some markings in there. Let's see if I can, no, that's as high as it comes up. And all right, so there's that. Now I'm going to put some water and give it a try. And this is the on-off switch, so that is very simple. So the on and off is very clear, and the light does come on. You can hear it heating. Okay, so the other thing is it says that it will automatically shut off when it's ready. So I'm just going to sit here and watch for it to shut off. I'm sort of timing it. I did fill it to the max. I wanted to see how long you can see it steaming in there. So it should be getting close now. I can hear the grumbling settling down, but it is definitely, as you can see, definitely coming to a boil. The one thing I do not like is there is no way to, this is as high as the lid will go, and yeah, now we've got a rolling boil. All right. and it just shut off. So we've got definite rolling boil, and it did shut itself off. But again, that lid for me is, you know, anyway. Other than that, it's a really great quality. Let me see how long it took. So the time on it says maybe 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes, and so that's pretty good to get some hot water boiling.
Okay, this is the Aylion, I guess that's the way you say it, A-Y-L-I-O-N, electric tea pot, and it comes with a double wall electric kettle is what it says it is. And in the package, it does have a cutout for the top and bottom of the unit, so it is well protected inside. Both top and bottom are with about 1 inch of foam. And of course you have the little heating unit down here, and I'm not sure what the capacity is. Can you see inside to see the max fill line? Not sure that'll show or not, but take a look. So we did fill it up to the max with cold tap water, and the tap water we tested, it was 68 degrees. To get the unit to boil and then shut off, it was 6 minutes and 43 seconds from start to finish. It seems to be a really good unit, quality made. Here are some of the specs off of the box you can read. The capacity is 1.5 liters, or I think it says 6 cups, yes. So 6 cups is very generous. You probably wouldn't have to make that much and it would boil faster. So if you're just making a couple of cups like we do when we're traveling or in the morning, you can get by probably with 4 to 5 minutes of heat time. Anyway, yeah, it seems like a nice unit. I was trying to think. It does have a stainless steel interior, and cleans up really nice when you get done with it. So what we do is we always heat ours up, let the water boil after we're all done, and then we pour the water out, and that makes the inside really hot. And we haven't done that with this yet, but then we just allow it to dry. And with the heated interior, it'll usually dry out pretty quickly. We use ours a lot for traveling, so it's important to have it dried out before we put it back in the suitcase. Okay, it does come with a little instruction manual. I don't know really why you need an instruction manual. It's pretty simple. Put it on here, plug it in, put it on here, put water in it, and turn it on. So, okay.